All right, these are the raviolis. I got a little cheese here. So what I'm gonna do, I got the butter ready. This is cooking over here. We got a little bit of the sauce with the stuff in it. I got the scallops over here. So basically, I like burning my bread. You know what I mean? It's not a big deal.
We got ambushed.
I'm just gonna pour this over here. You know, they're already cooked. So a little bit of butter over here, and then it'll go into the bread. You know, into the bread. Butter, but butter does everything. You know what I'm saying? Butter, butter, butter. You can even pour some on the raviolis, and then I'm gonna put the sauce. Just a little. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Excuse me. A little bit of the sauce in there. These raviolis, oh my God, they're like the squid. You know what I mean? Just a little bit of fettuccine with the cheese over here. The pop, pop, pop. A little bit. Oh, I don't care if it falls. This is so good. Oh, it's hot, spicy. This shit's good. So I got the butter on here. What I'm gonna do is put the bread here for a second. Oh, look at this soaked in butter. So now we got the scallops. The giant scallops that aren't giant. And now you got bread and butter. You got yourself a meal, pal. You know what I'm saying? The sauce is okay. You put the sauce in there. You guys set the hell up. All right, there you go. Simple dinner. A little whiskey. Let's see what we got. Akine 46. Maker's Mark, my finest drink. All right, everybody. Love yourself and love your food.